The world's current coronavirus situation has given me a lot of time to think and reflect, and that probably applies to the bulk of us. It serves to remind me personally that life is fleeting and there's no guarantee that we're going to be here tomorrow, let alone in a few months' time. I got to thinking about all the work I've done on my 3D printing channel over the last couple of years, and all the parts and models I've designed in that time, all sitting on my computer, needing only a little work to make available to everyone. I've also had time to reflect on the work I've put into my channel and the 63 videos I've made, and also crunch the numbers, getting realistic about its long-term viability. I started the channel on the 10th of November 2017 with a review on the Cocoon Create Mini or Model Maker. I had dreams of the channel earning enough money to buy more printers, parts for review, and better camera equipment, lights and microphones. I don't have spare money to put into my channel. It has to pay its own way. Sadly, that never eventuated. As of today, in the last 2.5 odd years of creating content for my channel, it has earned a grand total of $304.52. That equates to $2.63 a week over the lifetime of my channel. I've earned enough to buy a few rolls of filament and replacement parts like nozzles for my printer and little else. Now I want to be clear that I'm not complaining, nor do I have any regrets, nor am I asking for anything. I so appreciate every time you viewed one of my videos, left a like or a kind word. I just wanted to share the truth behind running a 3D printing channel. Which brings me back to the whole purpose of this video. As of today, I'm making my models available for everyone to download for free. With everyone stuck at home and possibly without income, there's no better time to do it. And each time I create a new model, I'll upload the STL file to my website, printverygood.com, and keep adding to the large number of STL files already uploaded there. I've spent many hours over the last few weeks going through my hard drive, picking out models, checking them for errors, and making sure they are right to print. So head on over and grab whatever you want. All I ask is that you respect the wishes outlined on my site. So what does the future hold for my 3D printing channel? I'm just going to take it 1 week at a time. But if people respond well to my uploaded files, I will devote more time to making more. If people aren't really interested, that's totally cool too. I'll let you guys guide me as to what you want me to do. Well, that's it. Thanks for watching and thanks for listening. Stay safe and I'll catch you later.